Roseanne Barr returned to Twitter after the cancellation of her ABC show Roseanne. The 65-year-old actress previously said she quit Twitter after she received backlash for a racist tweet that she wrote Monday night about former Barack Obama advisor Valerie Jarrett. But late Tuesday night, the star went on yet another Twitter spree, blaming her racist tweet on using the prescription insomnia drug Ambien, saying in the now-deleted tweet, quote, "Guys, I did something unforgivable, so do not defend me. It was 2 in the morning and I was Ambien tweeting. It was Memorial Day too. I went too far and do not want it defended. It was egregious, indefensible." Now, Barr also retweeted plenty of her supporters with a vengeance, many of who defended her, but she tweeted back saying, "Don't feel sorry for me, guys. I just want to apologize to the hundreds of people and wonderful writers, all liberal and talented actors who lost their jobs on my show due to my stupid tweet." The actress also apologized directly to Jarrett, saying in part, "I apologize to Valerie Jarrett and to all my Americans. I am truly sorry for making a bad joke about her politics and her looks. I should have known better. Forgive me, my joke was in bad taste." Now, of course, celebrities have been weighing in on the Roseanne cancellation and controversy on Twitter. Patricia Arquette writing, "I am repulsed that Valerie Jarrett had that racist and bigoted joke made at her expense, and I am sickened that any Black or Muslim person has to keep hearing this sickness in 2018. And Rita Moreno tweeting in part, "How odd that you, as a comedian, have forgotten the meaning of a joke and a personal comment. Your meanness is staggering and will earn you a ticket to a sad, lonely, and sorry life."